Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Chava's going to be showing you how to make these easy baptism religious cupcake. If you'd like to learn how to make these, please keep on watching. Okay, so we're going to show you a quick little video on how we make our cupcakes. Now something that we really recommend is for you to buy these type of cupcake cups.
They're made out of aluminum.
Look at them guys.
See that? They're kind of shiny.
So they're like $2.50 for a 30 pack, and that's at A&J Cake and Candy Supplies, but you can find these at Walmart as well. I'm not sure if they have white, but I know they have gold, pink, and they're probably around the same price as well.
They never have gold for some reason. I mean, they never have white.
Yeah, it's rare to find the white ones, guys, but we're gonna make some
cross ones.
Like first communion or baptism, I guess, for any of those occasions. And that's their address if you're local, and their phone number if you guys are interested.
If you're local. Like if you're local.
Okay, cool. So Chava's gonna show you an easy way as to how he puts the mix into the cups. Alright guys, so here's our mix ready already. A lot of people ask for recipes, guys. It's so hard for me to record me baking because Chava's at work and I have the kids and I just do it really fast, like while they're napping. There's no way that I can like record myself, but one of these days when we have time, we'll try and bake at night.
Yeah, heck yeah. At
night is usually when he decorates, guys, so here we go. He's gonna put that in a cup.
The bigger the cup, the better. And the more flexible the cup, the better too. These are kind of big, so.
And we make our cake from scratch, but this one is a box cake because of the cupcakes.
Yeah.
We wanted to get a accurate amount for 24 cupcakes.
Check it out.
See how fast and clean that is, you guys? Now let me know down in the comments down below if you guys like your cupcakes to kind of bulge out of the little foil, or if you like them to be flat a little bit under the foil, okay? Because Chava likes them below the foil, and when I bake them, I like them to look like muffins.
Fucking good shit.
So let me know in the comment section down below what your preference is. Alright guys, so there it is. Look how nice that looks.
You eat them with.
And like we mentioned, this for cupcakes, we did use the box cake only for the cupcakes.
Yeah, and pretty much our recipes, they make up. We make big batches, you know. And for cupcakes, we only needed 24 cupcakes, so we had to use one box of cake mix.
We had to alternate. But let's go.
Cool.
This is a what brand? The
Betty Crocker Super Moist.
Yeah, so if you need an alternative, that's like the one we recommend.
Yes, and I'll show you guys a trick to keep them moist.
So we preheat our oven for 320, even though the box says to do 350. Never do that.
Unless you want it fast, but you're gonna get like a super dry cake.
Yeah, we want it moist, okay guys? There we go. And this will take like 10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
And we'll be back.
Alright, cool. We're gonna take out the cupcakes.
Now we put the cupcakes in at 4:15 in the morning. And now, what time is it?
4:34.
And now it's 4:34. So that was like about almost 20 minutes. Yeah, let's just say exactly 20 minutes.
Yeah, they're not brown.
Alright guys, and this is what your cupcakes are supposed to look. He actually did them the perfect height for me. I love this. This is perfect. And do you see this? It's like so moist.
And I'm gonna show you guys how to like keep it moist. So all you have to do pretty much is just let this cool down, like the aluminum part, and then once this is cooled down, you wrap them right away. Even though these are warm, wrap them.
We'll show you guys right now. It literally takes like 5 to 10 minutes to cool down because it's cupcakes. And yeah, so that's how it's supposed to look, guys.
Yeah, and then
like I said, let us know down below if you like them lower than this or bigger. But this is the perfect size for me. I love this. This is like the perfect cupcakes.
Yeah, they're beautiful.
Then you could just see how moist they're gonna be. And then when he shows you his technique, which is a technique that we use with our cakes, you guys are gonna see.
Alright, so this is cooled down already. Not all the way, but it's still a little warm. But that's what you want. You want it still to be warm. So that way the heat could like make, when you cover it, the heat's gonna make like condensation, and then it's gonna make like it's gonna make like humid, you know? So it's gonna get it moist.
Yeah, in simple words, it's gonna get it moist.
Super moist, yeah. Cover it. You cover it real good like this. But make sure you cover it real good. Like you don't wanna leave anything open.
You don't wanna bust it at these because then they will dry out.
Yeah,
girls, it's happened to me.
Yeah, and they'll put it in the freezer. Cause I mean, you could do it if you're in a hurry, but if you put them in the freezer, they're gonna dry out too. Because you want them to cool down slowly. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So right now it's about 4:45 in the morning, and we're gonna decorate these at 8 in the morning. We're just gonna go take a nap right now, and we'll be right back to show you how we decorate them.
Cool. You see already how it's getting like foggy? See that?
Mhm.
Well, that's what you want. Well, that's what I want.
I don't know what you want, but
I don't know what you want, but this is what I want. They're already getting moist. So I'll show you guys later on, tomorrow or later. I'm gonna touch
3
it.
hours.
Yeah, I'm gonna touch it when it's cooled down, and it's gonna be super moist.
All right, guys, we'll be right back.
3 hours later.
There it is. See how glossy they are? They're so moist.
Alright, let's put the buttercream on. We just have to butter a little bit. Ready?
What kind of tip are you using?
I'm using the size 1C.
And what do you recommend, like the technique wise, or how much to put, or?
Just know that you don't have to cover the whole thing because it's gonna be too much buttercream. So you just have to look a little slow on top. See that? That's enough.
Now, like we mentioned, these are going to be religious cupcakes, so I'm not sure if it's exactly for a baptism or first communion or something along those lines, but they have cross toppers, which you can also make out of fondant, but we're actually going to do something pretty cool right now. We're going to show you a little trick to do it faster, and it's still going to taste delicious. So he's just putting them in the box so we can
Just to have them already ready. You know?
just add the topper at the end. As you can see, the crosses have a little bit of detail. I'm not sure exactly how much this is. I'm pretty sure not more than $5. And then here we have our white chocolate melt. Alright guys, so our chocolate is ready to go.
Yeah, the chocolate's really good actually. Look at that. It actually looks pretty like soft, you know? Like it drips.
So Chava's cool little trick to make this as easy and clean as possible.
Check it out with a small tip, like a writing tip. Maybe like a size 3 or 5. And then when you put it in there, before you put it in there, just fold it like this. That way it won't spill. Just start putting it in.
And we're sorry that this video is all over the place. We just really wanted to make it, but we're obviously in a little bit of a hurry. Once all of your chocolate is in there, just even it out. So you're doing it right?
Yeah, I'm hitting it so any air bubbles can come out. There it is. And then just pop it in the freezer for like 5 minutes. And then I'll show you guys right now how easily they pop out.
Alright guys, you just took them out of the fridge. It was literally like 5 minutes.
Oh shit. They're not stuck. It's just, since it's not that flexible, this thing.
You just have to be careful taking them out. Well, okay, I guess you could do that.
And then you just start putting more.
You guys could see the design. I'll have Chava put it in his hand right now. But yeah, it's gonna be an easy alternative. Because if we would have done fondant, our cutout is a little bit too big for the cupcake. It wouldn't have looked too nice, and hopefully this gives it a special touch. So he's making a little bit more because we need 24 of them. And yeah, we'll be right back to put them on.
And there it is. All I had is pretty much little squares, you know, like popping out. But that's the design of it. And what we're gonna do is paint it gold.
No, we're not.
Okay.
There's one for the cake, and the others are gonna be white. Alright, you guys. So here we go. Look how fancy that is. I'm obsessed, guys.
Are you? You're obsessed?
How cute. I love them. I love them so much. And our cupcakes run about $25 a dozen. Now, if the customer requests like any type of fondant detail, like more in detail than this isn't too detailed, then yeah, it would be way more. $30 to $36 a dozen, depending on the design, guys. Now you guys know how to price yourselves. Alright guys, so that's it. There's our cupcakes, and we have the other ones boxed already. Sorry that this video, like I mentioned, is all over the place. We're in such a hurry, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up, and comment down below.